Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Linden Houston. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook a chicken ramen soup. This is going to be a homemade chicken ramen soup. Tasty and delicious. Here, I'm going over it with some all-purpose season. Just try to get your season over it on both sides. So on this side, I have my pan, so I'm going to cook off these chicken breasts. Gonna give him a teaspoon of soy sauce over this. Next up, we're gonna put him straight on this. And we're gonna put him straight in the oven. Now we're gonna put our soup on our hot water. We're gonna add to this one Knorr chicken stock pot. Yeah. Okay. Stock pot in. Vegetable stock cube 1. We're gonna add a cup of sweet corn frozen. We're gonna have half a cup of sugar snap peas. I'll be adding cloves of fresh chopped garlic. Half a cup mixed veg. Gonna add some black pepper in this. I'll be adding half a cup fresh chopped carrots in that. I'll be adding some dried chives and carrots. So to take our ramen soup on the next level, I'm gonna add some bean sprout in this. Now our stock is ready. We're gonna cook the noodle now and wait until the chicken is ready. If you do find value in this content, ladies and gentlemen, please do consider to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. So while I'm waiting for the chicken and the noodle water to be hot, I'm gonna prep the vegetables. So we're gonna need some red onion. Very important. These gonna be part of my garnish. So this ramen soup, which I'm doing, can do for 4 portions. Over here, I have some lovely fresh coriander to take it to the next level. You know, when I'm cooking, I'm not rushing, I'm taking my time. So here, fresh coriander and some sliced red onion. To enhance the flavor of our noodle, we're just gonna put a bit of seasoning, such as all-purpose. You can use salt, just use whatever you have inside the pot. So these are the noodles I'm gonna use, and this, as I said, that's a 4 portion. 1, 2. So I don't want these overcooked, so I'm keeping my eye on them. I just want them cooked like this. I'm gonna give it another minute, and that's it. I'm gonna remove them. So noodle, they're ready, good to go. So I'm just gonna take them, and I'm gonna put them in this. So in our light stock, a bit of soy sauce. All right. We're gonna add a bit of chili, that amount. Now it's time for plating up the food. So now these chicken, they're out the oven. So this is how we're gonna do it when we're serving it. Each breast is for 1 portion, as you can see. I'm gonna start the placing process. Now we're gonna put our noodle, our stock over. Told you it's gonna be lovely. Doesn't get better than this. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you do like this video, continue to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. So this is some bean sprout I'm putting over that. Next up, some red onion over this. And we're gonna finish off with some fresh coriander. So just gonna break them up a little bit over it, a little bit rustic. And that's your perfect ramen soup, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching.